Actually, I didn't even know that we had made a record. So on the night of delivery, they have informed me that the delivery time was 12:03, and I just commented that it's quite early, but I didn't know we broke some sort of record. So it feels nice to be involved in some sort of a record. On delivery, the mother was regular checkup with us. She didn't have any complications, no issues antenatally, and on the 31st evening she came with labor pain, term pregnancy without any complications. So we just left the labor process to continue on its own for spontaneous delivery. The last time I checked on her, it was at 11:30, and she was about to deliver that time. So I asked her, so I was just joking with her that she might deliver before 12, but the mother was insisting that she wanted the delivery after 12. Unfortunately, by God's grace, it happened at 12:03. So after delivery, there were no immediate complications. But on the second day, the baby had a little bit of jaundice and is under the care of the pediatricians in ICU. So mother is being discharged tomorrow.
Okay.